So I'm out here in Gurgaon today to ask the people of this city what's the best piece of career advice they've ever received. So let's hit the streets and let's get it rolling.
Yeah, his baby said that they don't got a future.
I am a pilot. In school, they should give sex education.
How much a pilot makes monthly?
1.5 lakh.
Making the developer's life hell is my work.
It burns, so give him something worse to kill his head with. Making for it.
Hi, what's your name?
My name is Sakshi.
Arpit Kedia.
Simran.
Ayush.
I am Brinda. Swati.
My name is Aparna.
I'm Palak.
My name is Naman Sethi.
Vishal.
Sheetal.
Supriya.
Okay, amazing. That's a very pretty name. What do you do for a living?
I am a pilot.
Okay, a girl who's a pilot and looks this pretty. I'm amazed. Okay, amazing.
I'm a CA article right now, pursuing my articleship in KPMG.
I'm currently working with Decathlon as Omni Sports Leader.
I'm also working with Decathlon, but I work as a customer service leader.
Making the developer's life hell is my work.
हमारा बिजनेस है परफ्यूम का.
I work at Siemens Limited. I'm a design engineer over there.
Okay, amazing. And you?
Okay, I am an automobile engineer from Denso.
And I'm a software developer and my tech is Power Platform.
Okay, that's a complicated job. I think tech jobs always intimidate me a lot. Okay, amazing.
I'm a change manager at Orange Business over here. And somewhat same, I'm change and strategy consultant, so somewhat on the similar lines. All right.
And how long have you been doing this?
So it's been about 8 to 10 years now, yeah. Okay. Around 6 to 7 years.
I've been doing my articleship since 6 months.
Okay.
And whole CA career, it's been 2 years.
It's been 4 months over here, so I'm really enjoying my place over here, work, everything. So.
And you?
I have recently joined. It's been 3 months, but before this, I was working with Indigo Airlines, and that was for almost 11 years. So, starting fresh here.
Actually, I got that thought that you might be associated with cabin crew or something. Yeah, you
Why
just
is that?
you have that personality and very put together, the way you speak and everything. So yeah, from that I got it.
1.5 years.
Same joining day.
Acha. Okay.
1st July 2024. Yeah.
College friends.
Right now I'm in training here and only 3 weeks. Before that I was in the organization named as Concentrix, and for there I have like 14 months experience.
How old are you? You look very young.
Only 22.
I started flying, I think, back in the year 2023. I flew in Florida. It was fun, amazing experience.
Okay. Amazing. And if you don't mind me asking, how much a pilot makes monthly?
That depends actually from the airlines to the country and everything. So, first officer in India, something around, I think, 2.5 lakhs. But as you upgrade, you become a commander, captain, whatever. You make around 3 lakhs to 5 lakhs. But also airlines like there are other airlines like pay good amount of money. So, yeah.
It's fixed in all the big fours. Articleship stipend is 15,000.
Okay. So in my previous organization that was too less. It was only 45,000. But in this one, in hand salary is 95,000. But they are saying that in the process I can earn around 1.5 lakh.
Okay, that's amazing.
I would not want to.
I mean, you can name it in probably figures or like how many iPhones can you buy out of it?
That's pretty calculated. Yeah, I would say. So yeah, I would skip this question.
Okay, so.
Pretty well. It's nice. It's decent as per the starting of the career. So that
Do you
is-
mind putting it in iPhone खरीद सकते हैं वाले numbers?
Not right now because I am starting very fresh right now. So no, not like that.
What about you?
That's a very good way to ask. So yes, iPhone आराम से खरीद सकते हैं.
कितने?
एक तो आराम से खरीद ही लोगे, दूसरा में भी partially.
150K.
Yeah, around 170 like that.
कर लेते हैं, खर्चा निकाल लेते हैं, मर्सिडीज चला लेते हैं.
ठीक है. One advice you would like to give to somebody who's in their 20s.
अगर आप स्टडीज सही से कर लो टाइम पे तो ज़्यादा बेटर रहेगा. मतलब अगर 20s में हो तो स्टडी पे फोकस करो पहले, क्योंकि अगर स्टडी आपकी ठीक रहती है तो आप जिस भी फील्ड में जाओगे आप सब कर सकते हो.
Have a good mentor. Be disciplined. That's all.
I think just focus on what you like and what you want to do. I mean, even when I started, I looked at it more in terms of, what's paying more and things like that. But what I went to and, changed my career towards was what drove me, to come to work every day. I think that's super important.
Understood. And what about you?
I think from what I see is that do not settle for something that you are not liking, because I remember at that time I was pretty unsure of whether I want to continue doing this or not.
eventually I did not, so I would recommend the same to any 20-year-old or 21, 22 that please
You'll
do
grow.
what you love, and somehow you'll end up finding your way out.
I think after flying for 11 years, I've realized that mental balance is very important. So the generation today really needs to make a good social work-life balance. Also, there is a life outside work. People should focus on that. Second, I always tell the entire world to be kind. Just be kind, and luck comes to you.
Stop wasting time on Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts. And if you really want to like just use your phone or some devices, just go for some YouTube videos. There are very good YouTubers as well, which will guide you for the future as well. And just go out and talk with people. You're sitting here, probably there will be a lot of director, CEO, manager, assistant manager. You can just talk with them. Just do some extrovert kind of thing. Go there, talk with them. They will give you live experience and a lot.
Advice is experiment as much as you can. Because starting के year में अगर कुछ खोगे बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं जाएगा. बाद में when you will have some liabilities and responsibilities, तो आप खुद ही नहीं experiment कर पाओगे. Experiment as much as you can.
I think for me, I'd say, there are days when you doubt that, will I be able to do this or not? But just say, I got this. I'm gonna do this. Yeah.
Okay, that's a very good one. And what's the financial advice you would give to a 20-year-old?
To every girl, get your finances in check before you get the guys in check. I think, finances matter the most.
That's amazing. I totally agree on that.
Yeah, I think it's important that the trend that is changing now, it's more about consumption. But what I have seen in my family and being a baniya, see, it's important to save and just spend whatever is necessary. Don't go into just copying others and into the trend, so you are just wasting money. I don't believe in that.
I think investment, because I think if you can invest like 50% of it, then spend the rest of it, and according to your risk appetite, invest in different brackets again. So I think investment is a huge part of it.
What about you?
So mostly my portfolio is being managed by my father. So I just give him a piece of my salary that okay, this is something wherever you want to invest it. So apart from just investment, I would say see if in case you are able to build an asset for yourself in your initial 20s, for example. It does not necessarily have to be a 5 CR house, but just an asset if you are able to, because that gives you a cushion to move forward in life. So probably that, and simultaneously, of course, try to buy yourself bags or just go out with your friends, go on trips. That's what I do, so I'll recommend this.
Start SIP as soon as possible. I started it like since day one of my salary because that's how like उड़ा तो जितना मर्जी लोगे, but you have to create a cushion. Eventually wealth वगैरह ये जितनी भी चीज़ें हम सोचते हैं रिटायर जल्दी हो जाएंगे, ये कर लेंगे, वो सब इसी से आता है कि start it.
If you are low on income, low means अगर आप स्टार्ट कर रहे हो एंड 1 लाख से नीचे हो, आई विल कंसिडर लो बिकॉज वो आपकी नेसेसिटीज ही पूरा करेंगे लॉन्ग टर्म. तो आप 2 इनकम रखो एटलीस्ट, पैसिव या जैसे भी, जितनी अय्याशियाँ करनी है पैसिव से करो, और जो मेन इनकम है ना उसको मेन काम में लगाओ जिसलिए आप जो भी कर रहे हो. ठीक है, आपको जूते खरीदने, आपको मौज करनी है, आपको कुछ भी करना है, घूमने जाना है, पैसिव इनकम से पैसा बनाओ, जो करना है उसको उड़ाओ भाई, मेन इनकम को ज़्यादा छेड़ो मत.
And lastly, what's one thing which you feel that schools should teach?
In school, they should give sex education.
Okay. I think that's important if you're working in corporate as well. And वैसे भी life में भी.
Like nowadays, if you see the kids in our schools now they are very, like we were nothing. They are underestimating girls' respect, women's respect. They are taking as a, mazak. Which is not. I think in schools would be about studying more about self-confidence, self-esteem, because I think as we grow up, these are the things we struggle to sort of deal with.
बस 1 मिनट की करके जा रहे हैं.
Like more practical things and things about money. I can see, like I was reading an article today itself. India's debt on credit cards increased by 85%. Like around, I am not sure about the figure, but 2.05 lakh crore is the amount that is on loan of Indian youth and everyone.
I think value education is important because the pattern is just you are learning, you're writing an exam, you're forgetting next day, and when you come into corporates, I've seen many people, they cannot practically apply that knowledge. So value education is also important because in my profession of audit, ethics is very important. So value education, I think, should be encouraged more.
Okay. And last one, this I really want to ask personally. If somebody is trying to pursue a CA, what's one advice you would give them?
See, resilience is important because passing percentage has always been 10-15% and it will continue to be that. So if you're not able to clear in first attempt, then you cannot give up. You just need to
Keep at it.
yeah.
And एक personal advice के लिए I want, what's the best way to deal with your manager?
For me, तो it's like always say him जो भी बोल रहे हैं कि हाँ ये काम हो जाएगा. Just give him a particular deadline कि यार इतना नहीं इतना हो पाएगा.
Realistic deadline.
Realistic उनको बस बता दो क्योंकि वो आपके दुश्मन नहीं बैठे हैं. उनको ये है कि वो भी करके आए हैं. ज़्यादा पागल नहीं बना सकते हो.
Understood. And you?
उनके मैनेजर को पटा लो, खत्म. सिंपल मामला है.
Tried and tested है ये.
हाँ, मैंने 2-3 लेयर ऊपर के बॉस को सेट करा हुआ है. मतलब ही इज़ ओके विद मी. जो भी वर्क का स्टाइल है, उनको जो एक्सपेक्टेशन होती है वो आउटपुट मैच होती है, तो नीचे वाले अपने आप बाईपास करते हैं.
Okay, amazing. That was really interesting. Perfect. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. And that's it for this video. Do let me know your favorite part in the comments down below. And don't forget to subscribe to Big Leaves YouTube channel. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.